So right now there's a few main areas where the lettuces are growing. Right now we're looking directly into the garden from the gate. So here on the right, this first bed is where they're furthest along. These were planted at the beginning of the month, so just about 3 weeks ago. And given that, it's a little bit of slow progress here. I think it's just we were still in early spring, so things were a little bit cold. But you can see they've started getting going here. There's 3 rows. Well, there's a green row here. This one's, if you can see here, like this one's a redder variety of lettuce than a green. So that's here in the first bed. Now this next bed, things are a little bit further behind, and I think that's partly because even though it was only planted a day or two, a few days after the first one, the squirrels really got into this one, I think, a little bit more. And when that happens, it's very annoying because they tend to come in right after you've planted. I think they like the soil right after you've put something down in it, and they try to dig it up, and they kind of scatter the seeds and maybe prevent them from germinating or put them deeper in the soil than what you'd want. So this one's a little further behind. Hopefully when we check in again, we'll see some good progress here. And then this next bed, these ones were actually planted about 10 days ago, and you can see they're on the 2 sides here, the left and the right. I put something more recently in the middle, but these ones really just germinated a day or 2 ago, maybe 3 days ago, and you can see they're coming along pretty nicely. These ones are, I think, called Bruges de Vert, winter red. Now, the last one we're going to take a look at for now is this longer bed here with a reddish type here, same one in here, then green, a greener one. Now, all of these are being grown as leaf lettuce. I think they're all leaf lettuce types, and they're all being grown. I plan to cut them relatively early and eat them as like baby leaf lettuce. So that's why they're so dense. None of them are head lettuces. So there we have it. That's the progress on this one. That is the progress here on this one, and this one. And there's a couple other that are a little bit further behind that have just germinated. Take a look at those maybe tomorrow. So maybe we'll stagger the lettuce schedule a little bit.